Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering materials and making quick design choices. Pick sticker paper type, matte, glossy, or clear, because finish affects durability and look. Once done, set your art to 300 dpi with a 0. 125 bleed so edges cut cleanly. Make a test print on plain paper to confirm color and scale. Load the correct paper size into the printer and choose highest quality color settings. This avoids misprints, saves time, and gets you straight into cutting with confidence. You now move into precise preparation: cutting, laminating, and weeding. If using a cutter, set depth and do a slow test cut. If hand cutting, use a sharp craft blade on a mat for crisp edges. Laminate the sheet or apply a clear overlaminate to add water resistance and durability. Make sure to trim about 1/8 inch from the lamination edge to avoid peeling. Once laminated, carefully weed away excess material and align registration marks, so every sticker is cleanly separated. You finish by turning sticker sheets into a usable notebook. Arrange pages in the order you want and leave about a 1/4 inch margin if you plan to hole punch or bind. Choose a binding: spiral for lay-flat use, ring binder for refillable pages, or glue bind for a compact booklet. Reinforce the spine with tape when necessary. Make sure to test one finished sheet for adhesion. If stickers lift, reseal edges with gentle heat, or apply a stronger adhesive to prevent future peeling.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.